Hey, what do you mean it is a Ford? The Ford's what brought you here.
Yeah.
Hey, I signed up for a Tahoe, asterisk or equivalent.
Hey, bro, you made it here?
I made it.
Hey, round blue oval.
Oh, it's a nasty. I forgot they look like. I had no idea.
We hide them?
That's gonna look sick, so.
All right, guys, so after a lot of driving and a night of sleep, we have finally made it to Lower Michigan. See our good friends over here at BDS at one of their campuses they got here in Coldwater, Michigan. So we're gonna go in, check out what's new, and pick up some goodies for a couple friends of ours. How's it going? I was like, which of the 15 doors should we try this time?
I'm Dustin.
How's it going, Cody?
So a little tour today?
Yeah.
Sound good? Kind of kit photos, so you got BDS Zone, JKS, all the kit photos get done here. Carltech as well. Kind of a clean room environment. So this is the Velocity series that we showed off at SEMA.
Okay, yeah.
This is your long travel bolt-on kit, Chevy half-ton truck.
Why did I sell mine, Trace?
This is what you're here to pick up.
Oh, perfect.
We've got our vinyl printer and cutter, and then obviously the 3D printer. Yeah, again, all graphics, wraps, banners, everything done in-house.
You can do everything here.
Yep.
That's the way to go.
This is our R&D facility. You guys will get to see some stuff that the public hasn't seen, like the big Bronco. Our Carltech line has developed all these kind of really hot Bronco bumpers. This has been the test mule for that, as well as getting BDS ready for the tall lift heights on the Bronco. That's a lot of fun on the Go Fast stuff.
Right,
it's a whole lot of fun. Yep. So full service shop. So this is where kind of everything start to finish. So you envision, whatever new vehicle, but even like the Ford Maverick. We have a leveling kit for a Ford Maverick. We come in here, start to finish, alignment machine, and then as many hoists as possible. This is also where a lot of our instruction sheets and videos and stuff like that have to happen in here as well. All the SEMA builds and everything come through here. We don't start those till late October.
Right, of course.
You can't start a SEMA build, before. I don't think you're even allowed to start working on until October.
It doesn't matter how early you try to start. You won't start until October.
Yeah,
I've learned that lesson.
Yeah, so this is pretty much where all that lives. This is kind of cool for video. That's how a steering knuckle starts. Nobody's allowed to drive this truck, but that's a totally hand fabricated steering knuckle that the engineers are testing out right now. So that's before they get cast and machined and everything else. It's literally metal welded together.
Just a bunch of stuff slapped together to make it work. That's the fun part.
But we'll go down to manufacturing and we'll take a look at some of those processes. Then we'll shoot back to packaging. So this is one of our newer buildings that we outfitted. A lot of CNC equipment, a lot of welding equipment, big lasers. This is where basically all that stuff happens. So, knuckles and things like that are cast someplace else, all the machining and everything is done here. So check it out. Yeah, those are the Adventure Series shock bodies getting made. Bumpers, radius arms, cross members, all kinds of goodies. Yeah, so you start with like a basic raw knuckle.
Yeah, like that.
Yep.
So that's a raw knuckle before it gets machined with the holes and everything in it?
This is Jared, he runs the show down here.
So since design everything and make everything, kind of like the best of both worlds. So you can have it look really nice, then also actually make it so you can make it for an affordable price. So.
Piles and piles of shocks.
Yeah. Come back to that built-in house.
Yeah, lots and lots of shocks right there. Yeah, the frame mount for the bumper is welded to the bumper, but also attached. It's the attachment point for the frame, so the whole thing is one linear pole. It's not just for looks. If you break that off, we have much bigger issues. Oh my God, I haven't seen that yet.
So it's gonna be a billet radius arm for the new Super Duties.
Yep. The 23 F250's got different setups, so we're gonna have 4 ops to make this. We'll go op 1, flip it over, you do the backside pocket. Op 3 will be doing the outside profile, and then op 4 we're gonna pitch it up and then poke the hole out at the angle it needs to be, and then we're gonna make our own clevis to bolt on the end.
First seen here.
Yeah.
Exclusive.
R&D doesn't even know about it.
Yeah. When you're talking OE trucks, the stacking tolerances get pretty far, where we don't get that in the aftermarket at all.
Right.
It's crazy to see like where they start versus like what they look like when I'm putting them in. Like that's a lower control arm.
This one's gonna be tricky. Oh, it's got the weight.
All right guys, so that's what's hot and new at BDS. Thank you Justin for showing us around.
Absolutely.
We appreciate it very much. We got the truck loaded. We are gonna go deliver this lift kit and you'll see where when we get there.
I was gonna ask you where.
After you, camera guy. How's it going? I hope we're in the right place.
You are, Frank. Nice to meet you. I got an extra wheel out in the back. You can get torn apart and everything. So
Okay.
looks pretty cool. Color choice I think is unique. So,
Yeah?
Yeah.
I saw a couple of sneak peeks.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So here's a little shot, man.
Sweet.
Yep.
This is sick. I love what you guys do.
Our office is up front, and then this is the truck shop back here. And then we have a unit down the way where we store all the giveaway stuff. The media department is, and then probably about 10 minutes away in Milford, we have our print facility where it prints and ships all the orders.
Gotcha.
So we just kind of bounce
Bounce
and
around
make
through
stuff
everything.
happen.
I'm gonna tell you right now, our biggest customer base is construction workers and farmers.
Yeah.
They're the guys that build their trucks the most,
Yeah.
hands down.
Absolutely.
So like,
They're about it. They're the doers.
yeah,
They work their trucks, so they want to like it more.
yeah.
gotta be
They'll
useful
throw a
to them.
6" and 24s on it. It'll still work.
Right.
Yeah.
It might break some shit, but it'll still work.
It'll look cool too.
Yeah, exactly.
So you guys drove like halfway last night
So,
or something like that? I was trying to figure it out.
so where we're at, up by Green Bay right now, it's been 20 below the last couple weeks. My Cummins is a bone stock
Chilled up.
19 Cummins. Yeah, the def tank froze up on it.
No way. So what'd you do with the truck?
It's sitting at the dealership in Indiana. So we got that excursion, or
No.
that expedition.
No way.
And we have everything in the back.
Well, do you guys want to go check out the storage unit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Let's go
let's
check
do
it
Oh,
out.
packed to the max full of just a minute. That's 15 right there.
The one that just launched
Yeah,
Monday.
so it launches to the public Friday. Right now it's pre-entry.
And then back there we got the map. Everybody gets to sign their little dot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's actually really cool.
Everything about the truck sucks, but
No.
it looks sick.
It looks sick.
It looks sick. So
It's great. You just have to be prepared for the lifestyle. It's a different lifestyle.
yeah, it really is.
You have to change the way you do things.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to you guys actually on that one. Robert has never done a North Cal before. And I think I heard you guys.
Go show him, Rob. Go show him.
Yeah,
I'm
go
gonna look at
for
it.
Come on.
I think I
take a
heard
look.
the video.
Do you have a Sawzall? That's Banker's tool.
What would you rate Robert's job?
That, I mean, I haven't driven it. How does it rub when you drive?
No, it doesn't rub, Rob.
It doesn't rub on
It's just the
Okay.
the thing.
So,
Here we go.
I always
Oh,
take this
really?
out. Yeah, it's
Okay.
a two-piece system.
Bad up
Take
as far.
this as far forward as you can.
Because this looks like somebody got hungry here. That
Yeah.
was already there. That's
That-
Not me.
Yeah.
Robert got hungry when he was.
No, this back here, this is.
Dang, Rob, look at you. I don't want to cut the truck.
Well,
I
once
come
you
from
get
custom-
into it, you're like, might as well change it as long as
Here
I'm
we
in
are
here.
now.
The funny part though is with wheels and tires from custom offsets. You don't have to. You just throw wheels on and be done.
Yeah, exactly. A good set of mounted balance shipped to your door, wheels and tires. There's your plug. Oh, shit. All right, yeah, I'll pull this thing around back then, and
Alright, let's unload now.
all right. So these are going to be your
8 to 10 luggage dumpsters.
These are about 100 feet, 100 pounds of feet. I retract my statement. I'm going up in weight.
Whoa, we're about to get crushed!
I need him.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a nasty. I forgot they looked like. I had no idea.
We hide them.
That's gonna look sick as hell.
Look
Yeah,
at
boys are
that.
hard, dude.
Those are sick.
Oh,
Hello. Oh boy.
We haven't picked out powder yet either, so technically we can go any way we want.
Sure. Got a present for you.
Look at that. Wow, that is a sweet knife.
Not bad.
Does this come with an entry?
Not for you. Yes, sir.
I think that's a good trade.
Yeah, I think you give me all
That's
the
a
parts.
pretty good trade. Look at that knife.
Well, in that case,
Let me see it, let me see it.
Compared to the one I've got, like, come on. I forgot about the broken truck. I might get
Yeah.
a sticker to it.
Yeah.
No, we're gonna go to the print shop and you guys can snag. anything you
Beautiful.
want.
That's all the shirts get printed here. That's all blank inventory and boxes over there. Right there.
Wow, so like gear gets printed and then organized.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
First we have coming off too with custom offsets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Axle embossed gear. It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah. Pretty wild. Pretty wild at Brighton.
I feel that. That was us
Yeah.
6-7 years ago.
Crazy.
Like people just see the ads of like us jumping, hey, check this thing out. You know what
Yeah.
I mean? And it's like there's way more to the.
There's a whole business behind it.
100%.
Yeah.
People just see the cool trucks with the cool wheels and the website. I mean, I think that's what makes custom offsets so sick. My favorite part is when you go on the website, you can click how bad do you want it to rub. I don't care.
Yeah.
That's always the button I click. I don't care.
So I was telling you guys, like custom offsets, we can manage all the.
Look at this.
You can come in and test feel samples, everything. Then this is where we come to negotiate our deals.
Like a lot of the thought process between the giveaways is literally us sitting there saying dumb shit for about 3 hours, and then
Yeah.
something sticks. We're like, cool.
Yeah.
Like, let's try that out. So that's how the whole business started. Really, it was just like using ideas and like
Shooting the shit.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Just like the winter days are like some of our most fun days. Meeting people and doing all the fun stuff with them. It's just, it's crazy to hear their life stories. Like that's the coolest part. And
Yeah, you're giving them something they can actually do something with. That's the part that I like the most.
Yeah.
100%.
Like that's why, again, I'm mad I can't win these. You know, you're actually giving people the chance to do something with what they're getting.
I mean, worst comes worst. Like if you watch one of our ads, you know, you might get motivated by it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the whole goal. Like our goal is like to hear stories about how people like we help motivate them. You know what I mean? Because yeah, one person's gonna win a setup and have the opportunity. It doesn't mean you have to.
But guess what? Reality is, you gotta fucking work.
Yeah.
Work for yourself then.
Don't your ass off.
Yeah.
And if you,
You want to get to that point?
yeah.
Be your own boss.
You know what I
Right.
mean?
Yeah,
There's some
exactly.
days it sucks, but most days it's like, oh, we're doing something cool. Like we're meeting up with the guys from Custom Offsets today. Like that's pretty cool.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just anything we do, we try to have fun with.
All right, so
Oh, wow.
end of the day, got the parts dropped off. Badass KG1 wheels, lift kit. Tires aren't here yet. We'll figure that out.
I thought they were going to beat me here, to be honest. The trip we had. Yeah, this is awesome. I appreciate you guys having us out.
Handshake. All right.
One soul quarter.
One yoinking these. I had like probably $2 in here, bro.
One dusty quarter.
Peter's probably coming in here. He's like, all right. You guys want a gumball? You have to go back manually and, you know, move the quarter right.
Bring the quarter out yourself.
Fresh. Freshy.